Have you ever considered switching to a digital bank? With the rise of fintech, more and more people are opting for online banking solutions. One such bank gaining popularity is Lunar Bank. But is it safe to trust your hard-earned money with a digital bank? Let's dive deep and find out. What is Lunar Bank? Lunar Bank is a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including savings accounts, current accounts, investments, and loans. It's designed to be a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. However, with the convenience of digital banking comes the question of security. Is Lunar Bank safe and secure? When it comes to online banking, security is paramount. Lunar Bank employs several measures to ensure the safety of your funds. Encryption: your data is encrypted, making it difficult for hackers to intercept and decipher. Strong authentication: Lunar Bank uses multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Regular security audits: the bank conducts regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Regulatory compliance: Lunar Bank adheres to strict regulatory standards, ensuring that your funds are protected by law. The risks of digital banking. While digital banks like Lunar Bank have robust security measures in place, it's important to be aware of the inherent risks associated with online banking. Cyber attacks: despite the best security measures, cyber attacks can still occur. Phishing scams: be cautious of phishing emails and SMS messages that may trick you into revealing your personal information. Human error: mistakes made by bank employees can sometimes lead to security breaches. How to stay safe when using Lunar Bank. To minimize the risks, follow these tips. Strong passwords: create strong, unique passwords for your Lunar Bank account. Beware of phishing: be vigilant and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Enable two-factor authentication: this adds an extra layer of security to your account. Monitor your account regularly: keep an eye on your account activity and report any suspicious transactions immediately. Stay informed: stay updated on the latest security threats and best practices. Lunar Bank is a reputable digital bank that prioritizes security. However, it's essential to exercise caution and take proactive measures to protect your funds. By understanding the risks and following the tips outlined above, you can enjoy the convenience of digital banking without compromising your security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.